Today is a making day. Specifically, we are making a giant batch of lotion. Giant for me. I'm sure there are businesses that make truly giant batches, but this is a rather large batch of lotion. And I'm going to be making in a crock pot. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. So I'm at the stage where I'm adding the water that I need to make my lotions. And as you can see, this is a large crock pot. I need at least 2,000 grams of water, and this is how much water I have left. This is not enough to make lotion or even the foaming bath base that I need for my sugar scrubs. I need to get better at this. This is a skill that I need to get better at. So we need to do that. I guess since I can't make the lotion today, because we are going into town for my niece's Christmas concert that she's doing at a church. We're going into town then, and I can load up on my distilled water then, but in the meantime, what I could do is just prepare for my bath bomb launch, which I was going to put aside to get this lotion done, but oh well, that's how it goes sometimes. I can't believe I forgot about this. I need to take pictures of these guys and get them on my website. Here they are. So the first step in getting these guys on the website is to take pictures of them. And I'm using a Canon EOS 6D, which is a full frame camera. And sitting on this camera is a 50 millimeter, I think it's 50 millimeter 1.2, which is an amazing lens. You don't need a camera setup like this to get great pictures, but it's definitely the reason why my pictures look so good. It's because of this power horse over here. So for product pictures, I like to take the hero shot, which is the main picture that the customer is going to see when they click on the product listing, and then a few supplementary shots that will help give the customer an idea exactly what they're buying. And I also like to include a shot like this with the bath bombs in a row in a tray to kind of show a bit of the behind the scenes of how this bath bomb is made, to show the customer that it is handmade by me. So I'm going to go ahead and start taking some photos here. Those pictures have been taken. Now I'm going to take the hero shot, the main product shot. And this is the background of my product pictures. I made this beautiful green wall a while back, and it's come in really handy for staging my product pictures. I've gotten so many compliments from people on my website saying how much they love the product pictures, and this background makes a huge difference. I got these wreaths from IKEA. I think they were in the as-is section, but it's a fake fern wreath. Put them along here, and then the product is gonna go right in there. Let's start with this orange and pink bath bomb, which I got a lot of great feedback when I teased it online on my social media. There. Just like that. I really like how the fronds of the ferns come in front of the bath bomb. But the picture that my camera takes of this looks so good. Let me show you. I have a dedicated tripod for product photos, just so the height is the same no matter what. Get this chair out of here. There we go. Sometimes all it takes is just one picture. If the settings are right, you have a tripod. It all works out. I like to take group shots with 3 of the products, just to kind of show the variety to expect when you order this bath bomb. Oh, it's really nice. And then I like to show a handheld shot of me holding the bath bomb so that the customer can see, can use my hand as a gauge as to how big the bath bomb is. So I didn't like that. I cast a shadow on my hand on the bath bomb there. Beautiful. Oh, this smells so good. So that's, yeah, 4 pictures. Cool. These guys are up next. You see, the coloring on these are so interesting. And that's because this bath bomb would not come together properly. It took a lot of effort to get them pressed into sellable balls. Gorgeous. Love that. Yeah, I'm gonna put his friends in there. Gorgeous. This looks so good. And then last, showing me holding the bath bomb. Pretty. So I have my pictures that I took, and these pictures look great, but I need to edit them. See how this picture, my shadow, was on the product, so I switched it to the other side. Yep, I think we're good to go. And here's the tray pictures that turned out really good. Awesome. Now all I have to do is edit those pictures, work on my product listings, and get those on my website so that people can buy them. I'm so bummed about the lotion thing. It sets me back a day, which I don't like, but what can you do? You gotta roll with the punches. There they are. The bath bombs are live on our website. We already got an order, so that is awesome. Like I mentioned, Kayla and I are going to see our niece perform in her first, I would say, choir performance. I'm so glad that that task is done. I can check that off my list. It's too bad I wasn't able to make my lotions today, but that's how it goes sometimes. Kayla and I are gonna go see our niece perform in her choir tonight. And then after that, get more distilled water, because we desperately need distilled water, not just for lotions, but for making sugar scrubs, for making soap, for basically everything that I provide on my website. So I love our tree. Look how gorgeous it is at night. The trees that Kale wrapped some lights around. That's so festive looking. It's been storming and raining all day, but it's so cozy in this house. Right, Gibbs? Gibson, come on, let's go back inside. Get in. Hi. Santa has fallen over. Poor Santa. Are we gonna fix it? No.
Oh, it's from Jenny.
Oh, we got a package from our friend in Calgary, Miss Jenny.
And they were nice enough to put it in the tote so it stayed dry.
Kayla and I are headed over to the Christmas concert that our niece is singing in. And we're excited to see her do this because this is her first time. This is her first performance. Oh. It's raining outside though. It's a little drizzly. Ready to go?
Yeah. Yep. I'm gonna go fix Santa.
Right now?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, he needs some help. Looks good. Bye, Santa. Distilled water?
Yeah.
Oh no!
Drinking water, distilled.
No!
Distilled.
Okay, well, we need to go somewhere else. Walmart?
Yeah.
That's why we're here, is distilled water.
Let's go try Walmart.
No!
Yeah, there's
Yes!
Pure Life for $2.38. There's also Great Value. Or no, that's
just drinking water.
there's one Great Value.
Great value.
There's
Oh,
one.
there's more over here, Cal. Look.
Okay.
Okay, we need a lot.
$1.33.
That's a good price. It's better than Fred Meyer. Oh, this is such a relief.
How many do you need?
Let's get 6 at least.
Thanks for your help.
It's really high up. Wow, is this like the whole thing is one big Kit Kat? Is it like a giant Kit Kat?
It feels that way, yeah.
We should give it to our niece for her birthday. It's coming up.
It's a snack size, so.
Oh, boo.
Oh yeah, we do need to get some more.
Her birthday's coming up so fast. Okay, we just got home. Hi! Oh, such a good bow.
Where's the other one?
Where's Pepsi? Pepsi? Hi, honey. Did you not hear us come home? Hi. That Christmas concert was so good. We were so proud of our niece, and she did such a good job, but really all the kids did such an amazing job. The songs were amazing. It's beautiful. I wanted to thank you guys again for watching these. I have so much fun filming them, and I love sharing with you guys, and I love seeing all of the comments. And I wanted to give a special thanks to my patrons who are over here. And if you want to get the recipe for those bath bombs that I showed you today, there's a link to them down below that will be on my Patreon. And what else I'm trying to think of? And if you want to buy those bath bombs, there's also a link to my online shop down below. But that is it for this video. Until the next one, keep smiling, keep being awesome, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.